everyone, how are you all? Welcome to our Shabby Chic Garden Decor ideas. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to transform your outdoor space into a charming shabby chic oasis that blends vintage rustic elements with timeless elegance. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this DIY guide is perfect for anyone looking to infuse their garden with a touch of whimsy and nostalgia. We will show you how to breathe new life into weathered wooden chairs, rusty garden tables, and more, giving them that covered shabby chic charm. Learn how to choose the perfect pastel shades to create a serene and feminine atmosphere in your garden. See how to turn vintage birdcages, old bicycles, and reclaimed window frames into delightful garden accent. Explore the world of cottage garden flowers, from roses to peonies, and discover how to arrange them in a way that feels effortless and abundant. Get inspired by our ideas for adding a soft, romantic glow to your garden with antique lanterns, messenger lanterns, and other creative lighting solutions. Use vintage teacups and teapots as charming planters for succulent or small flowers. Learn how to design rustic pathways that wind through your garden, and see how a shabby chic garden shed can become your tranquil sanctuary. Join us on this journey to create a shabby chic garden that's not only a visual delight but also a peaceful escape. Whether you have a small balcony, a backyard, or a sprawling estate, these ideas can be tailored to suit your space. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started on crafting a garden that's straight out of a vintage fairy tale. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow garden enthusiasts who appreciate the timeless beauty of shabby chic style. Enjoy the journey of transforming your outdoor space into a shabby chic heaven. So watch this video till the end. I hope you like this video.